A particle moves a distance x in time t according to equation. The acceleration of the particle is proportional to what? The question is proportional to, first answer is proportional to velocity to the power 3 by 2, proportional to distance to the power minus 2, distance to the power 2, velocity to the power 2 by 3. So we have to find the acceleration first, then we have to check all these things. How to find acceleration? We have to differentiate this twice, because velocity equal to dx by dt. That is equal to, we have to differentiate this t to the power minus 1. So minus 1 t plus 5 to the power minus 2. If we differentiate function of function, it is not simple t, something inside. So we have to differentiate this once again. If we differentiate this, t becomes 1, 5 becomes 0. So multiplied by 1. This is the differentiation. So what you will get? Minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2 you will get. This is velocity. We have to find acceleration. Acceleration equal to, again we have to differentiate dv by dt. So velocity is given. Velocity is given. This has to be differentiated once again. If we differentiate this, minus of minus plus 2, t plus 5 to the power minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 equal to minus 3. If we differentiate this, you will get 1. So what you will get is 2 times t plus 5 to the power minus 3 you got. Now, it is in the form of equation, but they are asking in terms of velocity, distance, and time. First, what is velocity? Velocity equal to minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2. But if it is minus 2, then only we can put here velocity. So to convert this into minus 2, what we can do is, I'll write like this. Minus 2 minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2. So here I can substitute a velocity. Now minus 2. Why I put minus 2? Here the acceleration plus 2 is there. That's why I put minus 2 minus of t plus 5 to the power minus 2. To cancel this 2, I am putting already what is there? 3 is there. That minus sign is taken here. 3 is there. To cancel this 2, I am putting 2 here. So now I can replace this by minus 2 velocity. I can write like this. Because minus 2 minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2 to the power 3 by 2. Therefore, this is proportional to velocity to the power 3 by 2. Therefore, A is the correct answer. But we checked and A is the correct answer. But we have to check the other thing also. In the examination, no need. Directly we got. We'll substitute distance also. What is acceleration? A equal to 2t plus 5 to the power minus 3. That is the acceleration. Here t plus 5 to the power minus 1 is there. So I can write, this can be written as 2t plus 5 to the power minus power 3. Power 3. That's all. Now we can write 2 times distance to the power 3. But distance here it is minus 2 only. Here minus 2 only. That's why this is not correct. This is also not correct because power is 3. Velocity means we got 3 by 2, not 2 by 3. That's why this is also wrong. What is displacement? X equal to t plus 5 to the power minus 1. What is velocity? Differentiation of this that we got here, minus t plus 5 to the power minus 2. What is acceleration? acceleration equal to, here we got 2 times t plus 5 to the power minus 3. So we got all these things in terms of equation. We got in terms of equation. We have to find acceleration. Acceleration is required. The acceleration of the particle is proportional to velocity, distance. So we have to find acceleration in terms of velocity. So we have to substitute velocity in this acceleration. So we can write velocity. But we cannot substitute here because here minus 3 is there, here minus 2 is there. That's why we can write this. To substitute velocity here, we can write like this. So minus sign is there. That's why I'm deliberately putting one minus sign. 2. To cancel, now 2 minus sign getting cancelled. So I can write t plus 5. Here what is there? Minus 2 is there. Actually, what is the power? Minus 3. So minus sign is taken. 3 alone is there. But this 2 is additional. To cancel that, I am putting divided by 2. So if you multiply power of power, you will get the correct power. If you multiply these two, what you will get? Minus 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. 2 getting cancelled. Therefore, minus 3. Minus 3 is the acceleration you are getting. Therefore, this part can be replaced by minus 2. This is velocity. Because velocity is t plus 5 to the power minus 2 to the power 3 by 2. Forget about this constant. If you remove the constant, then we can write this proportional to velocity to the power 3 by 2. That's why we got A is the answer.